Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the keybinds in Shift at Midnight. Let's begin by opening Settings. In Settings select Keyboard Controls, and here you can of course change the keybinds. We have typical movement keybinds, so move left, move right, backwards, forwards, jump, crouch, sprint. We have interaction, secondary interaction, drop item, and reload. There are not a lot of keybinds for you to customize. Let's say I want to change move forward. Let's say I play with arrows and I want to set move forward to up arrow. I click on the keybind right here, then input the new keybind. I could input, as you can see, all of them like that. Note you cannot escape out of this, so if you wish to input the same key, simply press the key. You cannot back out of this. If you make any mistakes and you wish to go back to the default ones, you can hit Restore Default Keybinds. Hit Restore, and as you can see, those are back to the original ones. We went through all available keybinds already, with exception of one under audio. I don't know why it isn't also under keyboard. There is the push to talk key. Here, of course, you can change it just as I did before with others. And I think that's about it. There are none other hidden keybinds. So yeah, that's about it. Once you're done, press the back button and well, you are ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.